Dab.
History's full of great heroes, but none quite as accomplished as you, Mom. You gave us life, kissed our boo-boos, and tucked us into bed at night. You revolutionized modern science, won the NBA Slam Dunk Contest, overcame the Nazis, posed for Leonardo da Vinci, and at one time, you were the strongest person alive! Not to mention the time you led the Revolutionary Army across the Delaware, defeated the British, and wrote the United States Constitution all by yourself! What's your most amazing accomplishment? Raising a smart, well-adjusted child who never exaggerates to make a point. You're the greatest, Mom. You rock!